those 8-inch ports?
6.
6. Oh wow, 2 6s. Nice. Hey, can I come in?
This is a...
I literally just got playing.
That's what he was just telling me.
I borrowed an amp from a buddy.
Yeah. Can you tell
My
me your
bass
name?
knob went out, blew my amp. Anthony Richards.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's in here real quick?
2 Crossfire XT3s on a MD12K.
Okay. Oh, got it.
And Skar for my mid tires.
Wow. Are those 8-inch ports?
6.
6. Oh wow, 2 6s. Nice. Looks good. Hello everybody, this is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the really quick walk around we got of Anthony's system. He was at the Jacksonville, Florida Summer Showcase show for this system. I got a really good 5-minute demo of it. Got some good outside flex and some pretty good inside flex. He did say that the subs were pretty much just getting installed for the show, and he had some amplifier issues and he just got the amp installed, so he didn't get everything fine-tuned for this video, so keep in mind that when we get the demo. I like the way he has arrow ports instead of a slot port. It is maybe one of the different alternatives to fit this 2 18-inch subwoofer system in here, but 2 6-inch arrow ports on 12,000 watts. That amp is definitely turned down, so he's not going full throttle, but he is getting the juice for the demo, so did a good job. Give him a like and comment what you like about his system. I didn't get a close-up of the amplifier, but the 12,000 watt amp is underneath of this 4-channel Skar amplifier. And this is a quick shot of what the sub looks like. They are rated at 3,000 watt RMS, so definitely some beefy Crossfire subs. And having the subwoofers up, port up, seems to be pretty optimal with this huge box for this enclosure. I didn't find out what the specs of it were, sorry about that, but we're getting to the demo now. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy. Go on, man.
Festivals cannot be held responsible for broken body panels, windshields, or haters' feelings. You big pussies.
Oh my god, Bonnie.
Hey, somebody grab some clippers. This fucking beard is weird. Tough talk from a rapper campaigns for security year. But that's gon' yeah, right. Dad's always mad cooped up in the studio yelling at the mic. So bored, huh? I'm gonna be 36 years old, dog. Talking about in the corner. You sound like a bitch. Man up and handle your shit. Man about something I said in 2012. 6 years in a surprise office. Yes. Homie, you get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Believe all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Black God, the red devil, the black shovel like the Armageddon when the smoke settle. His body next to this instrumental, I'm saying. Sick of the sweatsuits and the corny ass, let's talk about it. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All a single dance from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Fucking beard is weird. Tough talk from a rapper campaigns for security year. But that's gon' yeah, right. Dad's always mad cooped up in the studio yelling at the mic. So bored, huh? I know. I'm gonna be 46 years old, dog. Talking about I'm a call. You sound like a bitch. Man up and handle your shit. Not about something I said in 2012. 6 years in a surprise office. Homie, you get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Black God, I'm the black devil. Black shovel like the Armageddon when the smoke settles. Body next to this instrumental, I'm saying. Sick of the sweatsuits and the corny ass, let's talk about it. Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of a single dash from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Oh, we can get good, y'all size up your body and put some white chalk around it.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you for letting me hear it. Somebody else wants to hear it, so.
Alright.
What was your name?
Anthony.
Anthony. Thank you, Anthony. Jacob.